From the densest forests to the deepest oceans to the hottest deserts, everything is connected through the vast web of life.
Can you see the time has come?
And now, for the first time, we're gonna reveal how.
Together we stand, standing on power, and raise our hands. We are kings. We are queens. Standing on power, 'cause we're everything.
This is the wondrous, untold story of our interconnected, living world.